Change a broken outlet with 3 easy tools. Plug in your outlet tester. Go to your panel and turn the power off. Make sure your outlet tester lights are off. Remove your faceplate. Remove the set screws and take the outlet out. Cut the wires with your wire cutter. Strip the wires with your wire cutters and make a horseshoe bend with a hole in your wire cutters. Now remember, the black wire goes to the gold screw. And the white wire goes to the silver screw. And your ground wire, which is bare, goes to the green screw. Use your set screws to screw the outlet back into the box. Put your faceplate back on. Plug in your outlet tester. Go to the panel, turn the power back on. We know it's wired correctly because the orange lights are on.